Crazy. Ah. It's about that time. Yeah. Oh, this bitch.
Are y'all ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
What's good, YouTube? We back with another banger, man. Y'all already seen by the title of the video what's going on. It's been a long time coming. But right now, we at the shop. About to finish up a couple more things. We got Randy's hood on. Let's see how this boy look. Painted. Everything lined up. Woo! So yeah, we gotta switch these wheels out so we get tuned. Then you just gotta put the center console on. Y'all hear that truck in the back? It's some torque storm supercharged. Matter of fact, let's go see. Hold on. Let's see what it's looking like. Time out. Y'all hear this boy pull out? This bitch is insane, bro. I don't know if I want to just spend the money the first time and get the Pro Charger or a torque storm. This torque storm on there, but they in the middle of tuning everything, so he gonna be back. But let me show y'all exactly what's going on with my truck. But yeah, man, we got some motion, man. Motion. Probably since y'all seen the videos, a whole bunch of stuff done left. Yeah, so they tuning that truck. But we got a little bit of motion going on now. Switch these wheels out. Drew got to put the center console in. Put my two-step on there. Line the little button up. This right here. That's my little button for my little. We gonna call it nitrous though. That's what we gonna call it. But it's power to the truck and everything. Y'all can see the intake on. I ain't got no filter, but it's around. New alternator. Sexy ass wheels, you know. But we got power and everything. Holly screen. You never know what you're gonna see up here at DJ Performance, man. You got a torque storm in there. 6.6. Crazy. That's crazy. Alright, y'all, we about to get around this fast dude today. We about to ride this fast dude. For sure. Yeah. What's going on? I ain't never rode in a GTO. Oh, shit.
Other side.
What the hell, luxury? Yeah. Oh, shit. This bitch. Snappy as hell.
That 4-speed, that's what, remember I told you it was raw?
Yeah.
That raw feeling? That's that 4-speed shit.
Hell yeah.
So they like this.
This bitch snappy as hell. Hell yeah. I like this little bitch though. It's bigger than a fucking G8. What the fuck? I don't know, y'all. GTOs might be kind of straight. It's just the parts on these bitches.
Fucking handful.
Yeah.
That's why I buy parts cars and part them out.
Yeah.
Cheaper to do that.
Hell yeah, especially you get it for the load.
I bought that orange car for $2,500 just for hood vents.
Just for hood vents.
Yes, sir.
You profited off of it? Oh yeah. Well shit, there it is, dude.
Sold them to interior for like another 700.
You get
Sold the car for 26.
Got that big ass screen in there. This bitch nice. So this the color for me.
Orange.
Hell yeah. There's orange hitting on this home.
Small.
Yeah, that shit too small for me.
It's weird because it's a big ass car.
What, this?
No, the G8.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It's
Like,
you
how
would
the
think a
fuck?
4-door is huge, but
Yeah, like how the fuck is that?
little.
So damn, what's in that? This bitch crazy.
That's like a quarter of a hop.
Duh. Oh shit. That tells you don't want to do nothing, man. You don't want to do nothing. That green light. Yeah. You lucky we ain't got no straighter. Busted ass. This bitch nasty.
Let me get my straight, bro.
He's man, boy, he lucky. He lucky as hell.
Why you turning the turner, bro? Come on, man.
He's scared. Man,
Come on, man.
he don't want it.
Tear a little 392 up.
Man, you hit this bitch on the corner, it's over. It's over
Rattle
with it. Shit. Yeah, this bitch is nasty. See, I wouldn't mind something just like this.
750 horsepower.
Yeah. Yeah,
I mean, everybody
that's
loves
about right.
This bitch, it feels good.
Hell
You're
yeah.
just fighting traction. Then, like, you hear the suspension and shit, it's all stiff because you got to keep everything together.
Yeah,
Don't.
yeah, hell
You're
yeah.
oversteering, your bitches all over the place.
Yeah, that shit.
I've been doing all that with one hand of it.
I mean, I like fighting traction, if you ask me. That's what make it fun.
It's fun until you're sideways.
Yeah, until you actually want to go straight.
Yeah, you're whipping the wheel on this motherfucker.
Yeah.
This big ass boat anchor on the steering wheel.
Yeah, this bitch nice though. For sure. Can't really. Trying to show them different angles. I'm gonna get the little mount and all that shit, so we can show them all types of angles. We about to pick up this fitting, or you know, y'all gonna see it when we get it. The goddamn patina. They be nice though. Patina on that bitch going crazy.
It's like the perfect amount of
Yeah,
rust.
look good though.
That's where you put like the good suspension on it and big wheels and big brakes.
Yeah, that's exactly how you should do this. The good old patina. Oh, this bitch is crazy. I ain't gonna lie. I was just talking to him. He said GTO parts, they like real limited and shit. So he told me that the GTO parts real limited and shit. So that shit. Shit. So LSA on it, hoe. I just don't. I gotta talk loud because the fan. I just don't know if I should get into it because the parts so limited, bro. No, I don't know. This bitch nasty. For sure. And like I said, it's bigger than the G8 on the inside. So I don't know. We still scouting for the next vehicle. He got him a brand new bike. Damn. But shit. Damn. I can tell once this bitch get going, it's over.
That was like
It's over.
half throttle, rolling into it.
this for a lady, y'all. So this is what we got in the truck. I think we gonna like the truck, y'all. Oh wait, cause I was kind of like second guessing, like, damn, should I have got a 6L80? But I think I'm gonna be straight. Justin around. Alright, bro. So it turns out I don't have no crash bar, y'all. I gotta get a crash bar. That's why this shit's so loose. Boy, you got the trans cooler on. We put coolant in there. So we about to start this hoe up in a little bit. Let's see what's happening. See what's happening. Startup video on there. You feel? Let's go. Oh, then this already done. You just need to tape it back up. Y'all don't even know we came with SS on the seat. I mean on the mats. Ew. Yeah. This bitch stupid. This bitch back right. Slight adjustment. This bitch gotta be right. Then my truck next, man. No cap. I'm certain. I'm swaying. I'm certain. I'm swaying. I'm certain. But yeah, though. We about to go to the motherfucking shop. First start. You feel me? I'm on it. You feel me? So we just got the crash bar. I told y'all we ain't got no crash bar. So we just picked that up for quality. Well, I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the shop. Because, yeah. Y'all, Drew's hating on my radio, bro. We need to cut all that out, bro. We gonna have a radio soon. But for now, we got that slider, bitch. We got that slider, bitch. For now. Then we about to wait till we get rolling, then we gonna get the little car play. You know how that is. I gotta do the little headliner. So headliner video coming soon. Probably gonna rap a Suede. I had the Randy's too. I don't know why he got that on there. I don't know what he on. But yeah, we gotta do Randy's too. So get that checked out. That paint hitting though. You feel me? Ha! It's about that time everybody scream free. Yeah. No, for real. But no, we about to go get some gas. And it's about to be that time, fellas. It's about to be that time to witness greatness. Oh, shit. Y'all, we about to head out the lanes, bro. We gotta buy some fucking injectors. What up, man? Yeah. About to fuel up. There we go. Nah, I'm still looking. Dude. We at Wayne's house. I ain't showing y'all none of this stuff, though. But we got the injectors. We about to head back to the shop. I don't know if you're going to put them in today or you're going to put them in tomorrow. I don't know. We're going to see. But turn the camera back on once we get back to the shop. My house one day, a long time ago, though. But I was just seeing it on that. I never seen one of these. No start for today, but tomorrow we still strive for greatness. I had my flash on. That shit's bright as fuck. But yeah, no start today. When you try to start it and prime it, the fuel injectors was too short. I need to get away from this music, bro. Damn. I had to get that good, great Kizzy, good, great Cuddy. Lucky you talking about. But yeah, we outside now. About to go back up here to the shop and see what's going on. I don't be, you feel me? I don't know what's going on. The power out or something that bit. My nigga Sean just got me together. Y'all already know where we be here. We'll be going to get that fade up real quick. But I'm about to hit y'all when we get back to the shop because motherfuckers is driving crazy. Uh-oh. Assuming he about to, what he about to do? Fuck. That bitch rubbing like a motherfucker. Uh-oh. This GTO busting though. I ain't gonna lie. He feeling good today. About to drop Randy truck off, then come back up to the shop. Swap that shit out. And then we gonna be on. Like I said, these fuel injectors. Woo woo. Wow wow. I'm about to take these off. But yeah, it was spraying because the fuel injector, it ain't long enough. So as soon as he turned the key, put it in, run, the gas started shooting everywhere. So I'm about to change those, and hopefully we start this motherfucker. So yeah. All right. It's on accessory.
This is going in that? Where does he have this? Just in.
Hopefully no leaks, guys. No leaks, guys.
No,
All right, y'all. Here we go. Hold on, let me get this. And get her back going. See what's what. And yeah. We're gonna be back outside, fellas. Gotta switch the rims. And then we're gonna be A1. Gotta get some slight tuning adjustments going on. I need to put this one up. This ain't gonna work.
probably 2 days.
Think it leaked all the gas out? Sound like what?
The harness is backwards.
Something's smoking. Yeah. The biggest transcooler, you know? The biggest radiator, you know? But you about to plug in the injectors to try to see if that'll keep it running. That should be the only issue though. And then we on. Then you gotta hook back up at the Randy truck. Get this pump situated. Finish the rest of his little tune. And guess what? Back outside, boys, on the 70 on the strip. I'm ready to, in the traffic, been in the corner, and shit, shit. Hold on, y'all. Call me Lucky. I don't see no knife, Randy.
Go on the side cabinet, first drawer. There's little.
Yeah, he already got one of those. I was trying to see if it was something a little bit bigger. Damn it. That shit was loud. That shit was just loud as fuck. Uh-oh. It's almost about to happen, y'all. It's almost about to happen, y'all. My baby got the hiccups. This truck all of this. But shit, it works. As long as it gets going, shit. It's up against the wall. We can pull out and let y'all hear it all clear and shit. Yeah. Gotta put my things back on. Yeah. Let's fucking go. Oh yeah.
See what it is.
Everything cope steady. Figure out that leak. Hopefully we can take it home. That's the plan. Figure out what the leak is.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah. Let's fucking go, man. Can't wait to try this bitch. Shit. Hell yeah. We lit. Lit as hell. I don't know why you be doing that. I said, I don't know why you be doing that. That shit, hell no. Man. Oh, yeah. She was getting a little warm. I wonder where it's coming from.
That's coming from the window side of the city. I figured it was going to be an issue.
Type shit. This bitch already run, y'all know. You had to switch out the pump. Oh shit. He had to switch out the pump. Something y'all don't know about, you know. Big boy pump had to get switched out. We're gonna get thrown back in though. So it's all good. Damn, it's smoky in here. Oh shit. I want that bitch to sound like that. That bitch sound good as hell. God, this bitch. God, this bitch. Dang. On road. Okay. A little fitted.
So,
Try to get a new fitted.
I'm going to tap it. I'll put some grease on it, I'll tap it straight out.
Yeah. Type shit. You gotta change that out. That's the only thing that's leaking. That's the only thing that's wrong. And right now we changed the injectors. So when you do the injectors, you gotta fucking. I mean, when you do the high ram, depending on what you got going on, you might have to get injectors off the hip. Y'all know we going boosted too anyway. So once you go boosted, you gonna need injectors anyway. So it only made sense. So, but once we get this all figured out, then we're gonna pull it off the wall so y'all can hear the chop for real and everything. And then we're gonna go from there. Got the pump working on that bitch. Yeah. Yeah. Okay now. First drive in the Trailblazer. What you say we getting tuned up? Remember that bitch get to running rapid, neutral off. I swear to God. I swear to God, boy.
Neutral.
For real.
This motherfucker.
I swear to God. No cap.
Nah, it should be straight.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Look at y'all getting first start, first drives and shit. All type of shit. Y'all only gonna get a little bit of this though. This is gonna be a separate video. So probably see y'all when hey, you can hear that bitch.
Yeah, that bit whining.
For sure, you can hear that bitch. Y'all ain't gonna see too much of this. Y'all gonna see a lot of this when it's done though.
Oh, that ain't a
Get-
bad turn rate.
Get on y'all. This sound good. They ain't even wide open yet. Hell yeah.
They gon' hate me.
You nigga man gonna have this bitch booty loose? Duh. Man. All right, y'all. This is gonna be the end of the video. Y'all heard it start up, heard it run. You feel me? But oh, you cleaned it up. But we gotta fix the fitting on the trans. It was leaking the little trans fluid, and we gotta change the thermostat. And that's not gonna happen today because your boy gotta go handle some business. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Keep watching my videos, man. And y'all gonna get an update on that real soon. But we gonna be driving the next video.